Alright y'all, today is going to be a quick video about how to roll the fender. I just got the new fender roller from Amazon. Excuse my washing machine. I'm washing clothes obviously. But after I lowered my car last night, I realized that the car was too low in the back and it was rubbing pretty damn hard. So yeah, that's why I ordered the fender roller overnight from Amazon. It's like $50. I can put a link underneath. And yeah, I hope this is going to be a short video. Alright, so this is the fender roller obviously. It comes with instruction. So let's put it together real quick. Alright, so I think this one goes up top, the flat one. Throw this one in. We need to pull this pin out. Keep the washer. And then drop this in. Pop the washer back on. The pin. Then the washer, put the whoops, anyways, put the washer over here. And then make that go through this. This is funny. The hub is exactly the same size as a BMW. This is not designed for a low car, I'll tell you that. Yep, I have to disconnect the shock. Yeah, just more and more work, ain't it? It's definitely gonna clear Except for this little bit, but yo, y'all wouldn't believe this. I spent like an hour on this side just to get the right angle and all that, and it still wouldn't want to be pulled, or like the fender wouldn't want to be rolled. And I spent about 10 minutes on this side. As you can see, it turned out way better than the other side. I don't even know what was going on. I should have recorded this side. I should have recorded this side for the video. I should have recorded this side for the video instead of the other side. But whatever, it's whatever, I guess. 10 I can't believe it. Oh my god, I literally took less than 10 minutes, like 3 passes, and it was freaking rolled perfectly. And the other side I spent like an hour and was like dog trude. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.